2018 Toyota RAV4 with less than 41,000 miles on the odometer. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, gasoline electric hybrid, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, power outlet, rear spoiler. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.